it's filming. Hi everyone. Meet me and my friend here in the middle of nowhere, and we are now going to. Ano tawag doon? No. Um, Tinagong. Tinagong Falls, which is located in Barangay Talaudyong near Nagtabon Beach. And both of us don't have any idea how to get there. And I don't know, we don't even know which direction. So, before, when my husband and I came here, and we don't know anything about it, we don't have any information. I've been searching before in internet, and I've been talking to Kuya Neil, he helped me a lot. I asked how to get there, or where should I go first, and yeah, he gave me more than one information that I should know. And today is the final day that we will be able to see the actual waterfalls, which is called Tinagong Waterfalls. And we can assure if how much it really costs to get there, because the last time I asked somebody, they said it's 1,000 to go there. They're gonna guide us, and we have to pay them 1,000, which is I got confused, and it was too expensive. So I asked again the same guy, Kuya Neil, and he said that normally we just have to pay 500 pesos. It doesn't matter how many persons you are, but you can just share, and you can just pay 500 pesos. And right now we are here just along the street, and we will be going down there to go see first the Purok Presidents, or how you call it. How would you explain the Purok Presidents? Just whatever. Purok President. And we will ask if they know somebody like to guide us, and of course I will try to ask if it's okay that I'm filming, so I could share this video to you guys, and it's not gonna be so hard to visit in this Tinagong Falls. Yeah, adat na. Alright, so now come with us to meet the Purok Presidents.
Yeah.
And to meet our guide. Okay. Alright, here we go. First, we're going left, which is the barangay president. A Purok president is living here, and I'm not really sure. So based on what I know. Hello po. Maybe we should park in the shade. Hello po. Kuya, pwede po magtanong? Saan po yung bahay ni Purok President? Kabilang tindahan po? Salamat. We missed the first one. afternoon. Pwede magtanong? Ito ba yung bahay ni Purok President? Hello po. Kayo po si Purok President? Ah. Hello po. Hello po. Good afternoon. Shider po. Magtatanong po sana kami kung saan kami pwedeng kumuha ng guide. Kung parang Tinagong Falls po ba yun?
Ilan kayo?
Dalawa lang po.
Sinong gustong ay, wait, ba? Sinong gustong mag-guide?
You have to make sure no? You have to make sure if, how much would it be? I mean we have to do the logbook. Every person po ba na magvi-visit sa falls, kailangan mandatory po yun, no?
Kulot ilan?
Winston isa lang po.
Kasi po baka may mawala. So guys, first you have to find the Purok President's house. And you have to sign in a logbook. And it's mandatory. Otherwise, when you won't be back, dito po, when you won't be back late at night, so they know you went there. You can't just go there without saying to them or without letting them know. And I have no idea how much it costs for the guide first. For the guide, yep. And tama po ba yung sa pagkakaalam ko is 500 peso sa guide? For sharing daw po. Okay. So it costs 500 peso to have the guide. And it's not for each person. It's for sharing. So you guys can divide and fly how many person you are, and it's okay. And I guess we better get going. So you guys will see the falls, waterfalls. Ayan. Buti na lang may halo-halo. Ano prot?